Guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to leave your review on Whatnot. Now if you want to leave a review on Whatnot and help other buyer and seller make more informed decision, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to leave a review on Whatnot, make sure that you have installed the Whatnot app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. But if you don't know how to install it, then you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the Whatnot app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So to leave a review, you need to click on the option of activity, which is at the very bottom taskbar of the screen, and under activity you'll see the option like purchase, bids, offer, message and save. So go to the purchase section and you may go on the sales section for the sellers. This is only for sellers. So if you're a buyer and you want to leave a review, then you need to find the order you want to leave a review for. So you just need to tap on the order and you'll see the option of leave a review or rate buyer or seller. So just click on it and you may select the ratings from 1 to 5 and you may write down a comment and you may click on the option of submit to finalize your review. So currently I have no orders in my purchase section, so you won't be able to see anything. But if you have ordered anything and you want to give them a review, you may simply do the process as I have told you before. So that's it. That's how you can leave a review on Whatnot. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.